I am so happy because I can practice the English now and you are handsome and I look at your face and your body. I believe you are a good person. So, the words begin thanks to God with grateful heart who give the good weather now and her who give us music that we reach today. You know, I want to introduce myself to you about Lampitas, your father-in-law. The words I am my family is Manchuda. You know, I have 4 children and the oldest of my children they are so everybody will be happy as Manchuda. So in Batak culture you have to call me Bapak Uda. Dan Bapak Uda Bapai, you know. Okay. Your sister, father-in-law have 3 sisters. I am the first. The second is Jambi. This family name Kampung Bolon. The third Sinura. But now she is single parent. She had 2 children, a son and a daughter. So I hope on family in my wife said we wish you happiness and I pray for God give you health and peace and God bring you I hope you come to my house next time, yeah? Come to my house. Okay, thank you everybody.
We are very happy. We are very proud of you. So we have new family. And this time, we'll give you a piece of cloth. We say in Batak, ulus. This ulus to warm your body. Okay? Maybe success in your family, in your country, and in this country. Your parents, and your grandpa, your grandma, all of us in this year. Thanks.
For you, Mr. Joseph Rosa, we want to tell you a little bit about the meaning of this ulus for the culture of other peoples. Ulus means unity to God. That is why always need to do it like a cycle. It means to be one. And the second one, the meaning of ulus. The meaning of ulus is like warm your body. It means every day love each other and then one. To be deep in one, without you. And then the shape of this ulus, it means you speaking your love and blessing to the others. Okay? That is what I tell you. Okay, yes.
Please, all of us